So this is how you do a DIY aquarium background. You just spray paint the back of the tank, mask it off, and spray paint it. Do like really light coats and quick sprays. You don't want like the paint to build up too much because then it'll start running. But it's cheap and simple. I got a can of spray paint, off-brand or whatever, for 99 cents, and I already had some painter's tape. But I think you can pick up painter's tape for like $2 or $3, probably no more than 4 though. And just do light little sprays. Comes out really good. I'm gonna do black background. Most commons are usually black spray paint or blue spray paint. And then I'm gonna put white sand in the tank, and it should look pretty good. But just make sure you mask it off real good. We don't want the paint to get. I probably did a little bit excessively, but oh well. And yeah. If you don't like how the outcome is, just take a razor blade and just scrape the paint off the back of the tank, and it's like it never happened. Thanks for watching.